Hello there, flavour chasers. Now today we have a special one. How to cook the perfect medium rare steak. There's no messing. Hot pan, rule number 1. Rule number 2, season that bad boy. Rule number 3, garlic butter, baste that beast. And then rule number 4, very important, rest the bombo. We're going on a journey, baby. All aboard.
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Alrighty then, here we have some lovely locally sourced sirloin of beef. It's beautiful, bit of marbling, nice bit of fat, hot pan. You need a hot pan, it's very important, smoking hot. There's Rich, he's gonna fold it in, lay away baby, hot pan, let it sizzle. Trick here, you wanna get a nice crust on it, don't move it, don't touch it, don't fast with it. You're looking at 3 minutes each side for this. Sprinkle with salt and pepper, coming like Salt Bay. Yes man, sizzle, sizzle. We're not messing about. Yes, so it's even got the branding there upon it. Ah, yeah boy. He's happy. Now, once it's browning, flipper. And then left it, salute. Left it again. More salt and pepper, let's not mess about, see it there? Now about 2 minutes after the first flip, you see it all cooking around the edges, going golden and lovely. You got about 1.5 minutes. Turn your heat down, you're laughing. Flip again, see it all there? Oh, we're laughing. Look at him, head chef's happy blood. Now, garlic butter. You can't do without this. Never mind the smoke. Don't set off your fire alarm. You can have it, Gotta have the funk. You're gonna baste your steak. Now your heat way down. You can turn your pan off if you like. That's fine. And we're just gonna baste the steak. We're gonna just get that juice over and over. And we're just gonna finish it like this. Flip it, and the flames, whoa!
Firestorm right there.
Hold tight, Firestorm, the batty liquor! Hold on a minute, we're gonna get funky, skanking interlude. Woi! Are you mad? Oi, we're going with the steak, going with it all, we're going with the flow, we're going with the show. Yo, mad thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please subscribe. I'm sick of this game, I need food. Now, let's rest it. Let's have a rest now. Right, 3 minutes each side, you've basted, you're gonna rest for a good 2 minutes. 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Look at that beautiful piece of steak. It's absolutely incredible. It's something from the gods. Now, we just got some broccoli, bit of green oil, some tomato mushrooms, no messing baby. Oh, why is that not coming out? I wonder. Bloody game. Now, just give it a tap, see it? See the blood rising to the top, that's medium rare. You tap it, it's like a sponge, it's beautiful. Hold tight, Mr. Petitjean. Man's got the white gold ting, you know. Now, the reason we rest the meat, you know, you get that lovely, consistently pink meat throughout. That's how you get that, you rest it. Oh my gosh, look at it, blood, it's gas mark 9, fam. Oh, it's like duck, it's like beautifully cooked meat. Man. Red meat, I ain't on too tough, but when it's done good like this, are you insane? Look at it. Don't at me, blood. If you like your steak well done, I'd like you to completely go away. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Love you. Bye.
Flavor Station.